Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy channel. Today we're going to be discussing the 5 best things that I've coded in with the CARLY for BMW. So CARLY for BMW is a software that you can use via the OBD port, which allows you to code in new features and customise things about your BMW. I've been experimenting with it, and this is a list of the top 5 things that I have found work for me. They're not in any particular order. I haven't ordered them in my favourite or anything like that. It's just a useful list so you guys can see what CARLY can do. First of all, we're going to jump right in, and that is changing the hazard lights. So usually the hazard lights are essentially as linear as the indicators. However, with CARLY, I've been able to code them so they do a double flash instead of a single flash, which actually just really makes it more noticeable, catches the eye more rather than just it being some sort of indicator. When you brake extremely hard as well, this is sort of an extra bonus one that I've included. When you brake really hard, there is a brake force display which will also flash like that, and if you were to crash your car, those are the hazards that would then come on rather than the standard single flash head hazards. So that's pre-built into the car, and CARLY just enables you to use it. The second feature is the fact that I've actually coded the stop-start system to be off as standard when I start the vehicle. This is useful just because I'm not a fan of the stop-start systems. They don't actually save you that much fuel and actually tend to wear out all the starting mechanisms of the engine much quicker due to the extra load put on it. The third feature is the comfort eject, which regards the key. So at the end of a long journey, rather than just pressing this once and then pushing the key in to get it out, I can press and hold it, and it will unlock. There we are. Help if I had the ignition on. And it will now allow me to take the key out, and if you've run the car, it will unlock the car as well, which is a useful feature. Just makes it easier if you need to dash out quickly. So yeah, we're going to move on to the outside of the car. What I'll do is I'll just put these hazard lights on so you can see what they look like from the outside. As you can see there, it flashes much more quickly than usual. And turn those off. Okay, the next few features are regarding sort of the lighting outside. Actually, the fourth feature that I've added in is an audible locking and unlocking confirmation. So as you may be able to hear, when I press the lock button, we get a nice beep, and when I press the unlock button, we get a nice double beep to let me know that the car's unlocked. We've also got the welcome lights that I've activated here that come on when I unlock the vehicle. And again, just a little bonus one with the key. If I press and hold the boot release button, it will activate the alarm, which I can then cancel by pressing the unlock button. Finally, another one to do with the key is the follow me home lights. So if I lock the vehicle and then press the boot button, it'll activate the headlights. I've set these so they stay on for 40 seconds, and this is just enabled to so it can light up your path on the way home on the driveway or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what other sort of stuff you'd like to see on the channel. I'll be adding plenty more bits fairly soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.